on the road. I'm on the road, heading to Kentucky, and guess what I'm using? I'm going to be using my AC60 and B80 battery to keep my cooler going and to keep everything else charged up. You got to check it out. Check in the links below. You won't be disappointed, because I know I'm not. Welcome to Sturgis! Woohoo! The Badlands of Wyoming have antelope. I said it, antelope. I'm in Sioux Falls, Wyoming. Woohoo! I'm in South Dakota, Sioux Falls. Woohoo! Getting closer. I'm in Iowa. Woohoo! Yes, I said it. Iowa. Rock on! Going through Kansas City. Woo-woo! Ha-ha! I'm in Missouri. Woo-woo! With that crazy hair. Well, I think I just saw an armadillo lying on his back on the side of the road, so I don't think he's doing so good, but it's an armadillo! Woohoo! You remember when I said there's armadillos in Missouri? There is a lot of armadillos. Lots of dead armadillos on the side of the road. I'm talking hundreds. Crazy. Welcome to St. Louis! What? I said it! St. Louis! I made it to St. Louis! Welcome to Kentucky! I made it! I'm close to my destination! Thanks for following! Like, subscribe, and tell all your friends! Love you. God bless.